So this video we are going to see about Heaocean oxygen generator, which is having the issue of you can see it's not going more than 73. So let's see how to do that and how to solve this issue. As you can see, it stayed with 72, 73, 74, like that. It's not going up. So let's see how to repair this. So for the first step, you have to switch off the device. Okay, and then you have to remove the battery. This is the battery you have to remove, like this. So after, what you have to do is you have to put the charger while pressing the minus and plus switch. Okay, I'll show you how. Now the adapter is on, so you have to plug it in while pressing this switch. Okay, then this menu will come. So all you have to do is you have to press this button. Now we can remove this one, and that's it. And you can place the battery and we will recheck. Now we will check. Now you can see the volume is going up. So this is how we have to repair this machine. So, and if you have any question, comment below.